What?
It keeps making it bigger.
What is, your shoes?
Yeah.
How come they're so big?
Because they're getting bigger and bigger.
Are your feet getting bigger and bigger?
Sit down.
What happened to the couch cushions?
Because
What happened? Can you tell me what happened?
cheese.
What happened to the couch?
Because I knocked the box all gone.
You dumped something on the cushions? What did you dump?
Dump bubbles.
You dumped bubbles on the couch? Why did you do that?
What happened bubbles when the bubbles in outside?
Yeah, bubbles are for outside only.
Don't make it mess.
No, good idea. Did you have to clean it up? What happens when you make a mess?
I don't know.
You don't know?
Ben make it mess.
Does he?
Yeah.
What?
That's dirty one.
Yeah, those are crumbs in there.
Oh. Is that the cups in it?
Mm-hmm. That's dirty.
Sit down.
Okay, I'm sitting.
Where's Buddy go?
I don't know. Where is he?
I know.
You don't know? Where could he be?
I know. It's all, Buddy's all gone.
Terrible. He didn't come visit you today?
Buddy, come back see me.
When?
Buddy, come see me.
Maybe later.
Buddy, come back and see me.
Maybe he will.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wanna give Buddy a high five?
That'd be nice.
Wanna give Buddy a high? That's that big airplane.
It's Jeff's big airplane?
Yeah.
Oh no.
It's not that big airplane. This Daddy.
Oh, is it? He's coming to get you?
Nope. Mm-mm.
Mm-mm.
Daddy's not coming in and get me.
Who is?
Chuck's gonna get me.
Chuck is? Where are you guys gonna go?
Dolphin's gonna have me.
Dolpho's gonna come get you now? Mm-mm.
Dolphin's coming and get me.
How come?
Tante's coming and get me.
Why?
Tante's coming too.
Where are you guys gonna go?
Yeah. I think Tante's coming.
Do you hear him?
Tante's coming.
Maybe.
Maybe.
Where's Dante at?
They're coming. Tante's coming to see me.
Is he at the restaurant with Dolfo?
Yeah. Tante's looking cabs. I don't see any cabs.
You love seeing crabs?
Yeah.